Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cross Street Classics. Today we are going to be working on our 78 Trans Am. We're going to be doing some exhaust work to it. A little history of this car. We bought this in 2017. It was a one owner car. It had, I think, approximately 41,000 miles on it. It's a numbers matching 400 Pontiac with the 4-speed. It is a factory air car, and we kept this car pretty much stock. The only thing I did to it is I put a little better cam in it, and I put a Pypes X-pipe exhaust on, which is what we're going to be working on here. But let me get back to the car. And also, the only thing not stock is the wheels and tires, obviously. We have the original set of rally wheels down in the one garage, but I opted for the 15 by 8. It gives a little bit nicer look, and the gold wheels go really nice with the gold lettering and the gold chicken on the hood. As you can see, Blake is inside. We've got the factory 4-speed there, factory Hurst shifter, and you can see it as an air car, and pretty exciting. This is a factory Fisher T-top car. This is the way the car came when we got it. Original color, this is Chesterfield brown. Really one of the colors that's different, and the color that really caught my eye when we were looking at the car. We did do a full rotisserie nut and bolt restoration on this. It was a fairly solid car, had a couple little minor issues we had to work on, but other than that, is a fairly solid car. All the urethane is factory to the car. Nothing was warped or damaged bad. The interior was pretty much in decent shape, but we did do full replacement on seat covers, door panels, carpeting. The steering wheel is original, and it does have a factory tilt wheel. So not a high option car, but it has just enough nice options to make it comfortable. The air was a necessity. So going around the car, you can see it's pretty much stock. So what we're going to do today is the Pypes exhaust I got had the mufflers I got, I think were called Street Pro mufflers. And while it sounds really good, it has a very annoying drone to it at about 50 to 55 mile an hour going down the road. With the T-tops out and the windows down, it's not bad. But with the T-tops in and the windows up, the drone in the cabin is just unbearable. I talked to Pypes. I got the exhaust through Summit. Found my receipts and stuff from when I bought it in 2018, and got the part number stuff off it. Then I called Pypes, told them what I had and what my concerns were and how to fix that. So they put me on to a different muffler, and I ordered it through Summit on Thursday, and it came yesterday. So we're going to open these up and show you what we got. Why Blake starts this up here first. Let you hear what it sounds like. It's kind of cold-blooded, but all right, Blake, pull up. Back up a little bit. As you guys can hear, it's got a real nice sound to it. not overly tingy, but it sounds really good. But except for that drone just drives me nuts. So hopefully we're going to eliminate that with these new mufflers. So let's get up on the lift and see what we can do. All right, guys. So while Blake's getting up on the lift, we're gonna open these up and check out our new mufflers. I believe the ones I got are the Race Pro. I know the part number was an MVR10. They assured me that this should not have the drone to it. Yeah, this is the part number, MVR10 Race Pro muffler, 2.5 inch offset. So we're gonna get these out and get them out of the box. Blake is our official card on the jack putter on her. Takes skill to do this right. All right, guys, as you can see, it's been a few years since this has been on the lift. Still looks pretty good. We're gonna wipe it all down now.
Are we now?
Yes, Blake's gonna wipe it all down and get her looking good again. I think we got caught in the rain with this maybe once, but got a little bit of an oil leak here, looks like. Huh? Yeah, we'll look at that too. But yeah, we're just gonna wipe it all down and do a little bit of a detail on it here. It's been 4 years since this has been done, so it's due for a little attention. So while Blake's wiping things down, I'm going to start on the mufflers. As you can see, I use these band type clamps, and I'm a real fan of them, and I'm a real fan of them even more now because it should make them pretty easy to put on. In the back here where these hangers need to have this type of clamp, we use those here. So I may have a little bit of trouble getting them off the back, but should be okay, so we're going to find out. All right, so let's get these off. All right, guys, so we got the old muffler off the driver's side, and we can see inside there. No, it's not a flow through, so chambered. This here, you can see through the other side. You can see that there, and all you can see daylight through the other side there at an angle. So we're gonna get this one on. Blake's continuing to do his thing up there. Hi, Blake. Looking pretty good. All right, guys, so we've been having a little bit of difficulty getting the new muffler and pipe ball on, and I noticed the new muffler wasn't sliding back as far as the old one was. This little mark here is where the old one bottoms out at. This is where the new one bottoms out at. I looked inside and it's just a little bit of a restriction in there so the pipe won't go through. So we're gonna measure this here, which looks like about 3/4 of an inch, and take 3/4 of an inch off the end of the pipe, and then shouldn't have any issues after that. All right, guys, so we got both of the mufflers installed. Everything's back on here. Nothing's rubbing, nothing's hitting. So hopefully that'll continue when the car starts and drives down the road. So Blake is going to continue to clean the underneath, and then we're gonna fire this thing up and see how we improve the sound. So we got our exhaust all done, and Blake is inside here on his phone. He's gonna start up, and we're gonna see how this thing sounds. All right, Blake, hit it. All right, guys, it's definitely noticeably more quiet, a little more tame. So I think it'll be all right. Unfortunately, it just rained, so we are not going to take this out and try it out here. But I'm sure it'll be fine as long as it doesn't have the drone. I'm happy. It's got a nice mellow rumble to it, so that'll be good. So with that being said, guys, that's going to do it for this video. As always, we appreciate you guys watching, liking, subscribing, commenting. I'll be glad to answer any questions you have on this car. So we'll catch you next time. Thanks again. See ya.